Hi everyone, my name is Layla Stephanie. I'm a beauty photographer from Los Angeles, California. I've been a beauty photographer for 2 years now, and in the past 2 years, I feel like I've accomplished so much that I myself can't even believe it. So I thought, why not create a YouTube channel so I can share my journey, share what I've done, what I've accomplished, and also how I got to that point and how I will continue to progress so you can follow that with me. My hopes is that it inspires you so that you can do this too. If you want to do beauty photography, you can. I had no knowledge of photography 2 years ago, and now I feel like I've done so much, and why not share my learnings? Before I get started, I want to show you guys some of the work that I've done here. If you go to my Instagram also and you follow me, you will be able to see a lot of the collaborations that I've done, and you can see the killer amazing people that I've worked with in the industry, which, like I said, I can't even believe myself. In these 2 years, like I said, I've worked with these great people in the industry. I have been in magazines, and I've worked with amazing brands, and I just recently did my biggest campaign yet. In this channel, I will also be sharing with you guys my gear. I will show you BTS of my photo shoots. I will show you some of the things that I do before a photo shoot, during the photo shoot, and after, how I deal with clients, how I find clients, and also just my struggles and how I overcome them. And as I continue to grow in the industry or in my career, I will be able to share things that come up and how I overcome them. So I just wanted to do a quick introduction about myself, really quick, just short, but don't forget to like this video, comment, make sure to tell me the kinds of things that you want to learn about beauty photography, and I will try to make videos about it. And don't forget to subscribe, and also follow me on Instagram. I will put it right here below. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next videos.